How do I connect my Bluetooth speaker to my device for a FaceTime call?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to connect your Bluetooth speaker to your device for a FaceTime call. If you're looking to enhance your audio experience during your FaceTime conversations, connecting a Bluetooth speaker is a great option. So, let's dive right in and see how it's done.
Check Bluetooth compatibility.
The first thing you'll want to do is ensure that both your device and your Bluetooth speaker are compatible with each other. Most modern smartphones, tablets, and laptops have built-in Bluetooth capabilities. Check your device's specifications or settings to confirm Bluetooth compatibility.
Turn on Bluetooth.
Now, let's turn on the Bluetooth feature on your device. The steps might vary slightly depending on the device you're using, but generally, you can find the Bluetooth settings in the device's System Settings menu. Look for the Bluetooth option and toggle it on.
Prepare your Bluetooth speaker.
Next, let's prepare your Bluetooth speaker for pairing. Make sure your speaker is turned on and in pairing mode. This can usually be done by pressing and holding a dedicated pairing button or following the instructions provided with your speaker. Consult the user manual for your specific Bluetooth speaker model to determine the correct pairing procedure.
Pairing process.
Once your device's Bluetooth is turned on and your speaker is in pairing mode, it's time to establish the connection between them. On your device, navigate to the Bluetooth settings menu and look for available devices. Your Bluetooth speaker should appear in the list of discoverable devices.
Connect the devices.
Select your Bluetooth speaker from the list of available devices on your device's Bluetooth settings menu. After selecting it, the pairing process will begin, and you may see a prompt or confirmation message on your device's screen. Confirm the connection between your device and the Bluetooth speaker.
Verify connection and audio output.
Once the pairing process is complete, you should see a notification or indicator on your device that confirms the successful connection. At this point, any audio played on your device, including FaceTime calls, will be directed to the Bluetooth speaker. To verify the audio output, you can play a sample video or make a test call on FaceTime. And there you have it. Connecting your Bluetooth speaker to your device for a FaceTime call is as simple as that. Just remember to check compatibility, turn on Bluetooth, prepare your speaker, initiate the pairing process, and verify the connection and audio output. Now you can enjoy high-quality audio during your FaceTime conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.